In this video, I want to share how you can make money online in the next 24 hours and build long-term passive or recurring income too. It's a simple online business I built myself. It's something anyone can do, as previous experience is not necessary. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet. I've been doing it full time for over 20 years now. And what I want to share is not just about making more money, but creating time freedom too. See, I ski most days in the winter and I sell most days in the summer while I build this business. And before we get going, if you haven't done so yet, please hit the subscribe button. I post multiple new videos every week, and I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will click the like button too and give this video a thumbs up to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. So there are all kinds of ways to make money online. Let me tell you why this is my #1 recommended income stream. It's a unique affiliate marketing opportunity. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. You do not have to create anything. There are no customer service or delivery hassles. I love affiliate marketing. I've found it to be the fastest and the easiest way yet to make money online if you choose the right opportunity. I said this business is unique, so first, let me tell you about the money you can make. Most affiliate offers pay out small one-time commissions of only a few percent. You would have to sell a lot of stuff every day to make real money with one of them. And the truth is, most marketers, especially beginners, cannot do that. Well, this business pays out 80% commissions. 80%. That means just 2 sales and you are in profit. Almost anyone can see themselves making 2 sales. And you can do that fast in our business. Many new people make money their very first day. Plus, you get paid passive or recurring income too. Recurring income is money that can come in month after month from the sales you make each day. Imagine getting paid again months from now for what you did today. And that's what can really set you free. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. No long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. And here's how we do it. We market 4 high-demand digital products that almost sell themselves. It's all done online, and it's mostly automated. We provide you with a simple, powerful marketing system that really leverages your time. It's everything you need. Landing pages, sales pages, follow-up emails ready to send out. Again, you don't have to create anything. You can build this business from wherever you want to be on a schedule that fits your lifestyle. Like I said, I even do it while I'm out sailing. You do not need to be at home or sitting at a desk. You do not need to make any phone calls. And not only can you make money fast, but I will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. The key to making money in the next 24 hours is our unique quick start strategy, where we teach you how to start making money before you set anything up, before you even learn anything. I've never seen anything like this. And it's just part of our industry-leading how-to training. We hold daily live training calls on Zoom. We have an extensive online training website with dozens of how-to videos, and we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas with each other and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. But maybe the biggest thing to help you make money fast is that when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach, and I will share everything that has helped me be successful. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Making money online is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. To learn more and start making money online today, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.